Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to week 5. This 6 weeks is just about over. And we're going to review again. We're not going to review everything. I want to review over a couple of things that we worked on last week, and then I'm going to add a few things. All right, so here we go. We know that a beat is steady, right? And a rhythm is not steady. It has long and short sounds and silences. And usually I list all the different notes and how many beats they get. But here today, we are starting with meter. Do you remember what meter is? Meter is how many beats are grouped together. How many beats, the number of beats grouped together. It could be 2, it could be 4, it could be 3. All right. And let's see. Meter, the number of beats grouped together. Measure. Do you remember what a measure is? A measure is a group of those beats. Each group is set on staff is separated by a bar line. The meter signatures, that number at the beginning of the song, or somewhere in the song that tells you what the meter is. That's what a meter signature is. Okay, so let's look at this. We have the meter of 2. The meter of 2. That 4 down there tells us a quarter note gets 1 beat. The meter of 2. Let's see. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 2 beats. That's a measure. And then we draw a bar line. A half note gets 2 beats, so that's a measure. So you have ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, this is in 4. See your measure, you have 2 measures. Each one has 4 beats. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's say it. Ready, go. Ta, 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 sh, ta, ta. Oh, do you remember this one? Ready, go. Ticka, ticka, tee, tee, ta, triplet, ta, ta, triplet, ta. We have, believe it or not, all those notes is just 2 measures. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Yes, the triplet gets 1 beat. And all 4 16th notes get 1 beat. That is 4 beats. 1 plus 1 plus 1. The triplet gets 1 beat. Plus 1 is 4 beats. So you have 2 measures of 4. A staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. The melody. Do you remember what a melody is? The melody is a single line of tones that move up, down, repeat, and then step or skip. So this is going repeat. Watch. B, 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 B. The same line. So that is repeating the same note over and over again. Which direction? E, F, G, A, B. That is going up. And it is going up by step. Line, space, line, space, line. Oh, now this is going up, but it's going up line, 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 line. It is going up by skip because we're skipping over the spaces. Up, now we're going down. Line, space, line, space, line. Going down by step. Now we're going space, 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 space. We're skipping over the line, so it's going down by skip. Alphabet, A, B, C, D, F, G, start all over again at A, treble clef. Right hand on piano, higher voices. Lines are every good boy does fine. Spaces are F, A, C, E. B, every good boy. E, F, A, C, E. E, every. D, every good boy does. And ledger lines. You have C, D, And of course the bottom line is E. The top line is F. The next space is G. The next line is A. Pitch, high and low sounds. High, low, high. Okay, here's the new ones. Tempo, tempo. Do you remember what tempo is from last year? Oops, I'm sorry, I skipped over it. Tempo is the speed of the beat, how fast or how slow. Look at all these tempos we could have. Prestissimo, very, very fast. Presto, very fast. Allegro, fast. Moderato, moderate. Medium speed. Andante, a walking pace. Adagio, slow and stately. Lento or largo is very slow. And grave, not grave, grave is slow and solemn. The BPM over here is how many beats per minute. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Right here, this is, well, let's go get Allegro is 2 seconds, 2 beats every second. 2 beats every second. Andante, or actually Adagio, is right around 1 beat a second. So just think how fast Prestissimo is if Allegro is 2 beats per second. More tempo. Accelerando, to gradually get faster. Retardando, to gradually get slower. Diminuendo, not only do you get slower, but you get softer. Okay, dynamics. That is how the volume of the music, how loud or how soft it is. Look, they use these little letters in the music. Anything with a P is piano. So that's soft. Piano in Italian is soft. Anything with an F is forte. Forte in Italian is loud. So PPP is pianissimo, very, very soft. 2 P's, pianissimo, very soft. 1 P, piano, soft. And then you go all the way up to 3 F's, fortissimo, very, very loud. And then, of course, crescendo. Looks like a less than sign. It's gradually getting louder. And then decrescendo looks like this in music, and you gradually get softer. Diminuendo, again, is not only to get slower, but also to get softer at the same time. All right, so that's where we're going to stop today. I want to take you and look at this piece of paper that we had last week. You are supposed to write, we're supposed to write me a rhythm or a melody last week going in a step direction, up for the top measure and top line, and down for the bottom line. You hit the student box to get your notes. We are going to go up by skip. Up by skip this time. So, and I'm going to make sure I have 4 beats in each measure. Look at that big skip. I skipped over 2 spaces and 1 line. So I skipped over 3 notes. Let's put one more because, let's see, I'm going to skip way up here at the top. Look at this. Line, skip 2 spaces and a line to that line. Skip a space, a line to the next space. That's a big skip, isn't it? 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. There's 4 beats in that measure. Let's do another one. Up by skip. Actually, let's go up by step this time. Up by skip. Up by step. Line. Space. Line. Okay, line, space, line. We're going up by step. Now, I'm going to move these closer together. There. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Now we're going to go down by skip. I'm going to start with a quarter note. You got to start high if you want to go down. All right, so look at how many lines and spaces I skipped here, and then I did the same thing here. These are going down by skip. I'm skipping over lines and spaces. Now I'm going to go down by step. Down by step. Line, or that's space, I'm sorry. Line, space, line, space. Down by step. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. There's 4 beats in that measure. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4 beats in that measure. So we go up by skip, up by step, down by skip, down by step. Can you do that this week? That's what I want you to do on your Composing Level 1 worksheet. All right, don't forget those ones we went through. Tempo, the speed of the beat, and dynamics, how loud or how soft it is. Don't forget to look at those. All right, have a great week, and I will see you next week.